Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your higher and better self. And today's video is all about this craziness and how you can avoid it. Because if you're not avoiding it, guess what? You're in it. And too many people are in it and they don't even realize they're in it until it's too late. What I'm noticing is that people are getting so distracted. There's so much uncertainty and so much information that we get distracted, and then guess what? We've gone off on 1,000 different paths all day long. And every time we get distracted and have to come back to what we were doing, guess what? Our business fails, our life goes in a direction we don't want it to, and that's life and the world guiding you. That's not you consciously creating the circumstances you want. That's not focusing, it's without focus. And it's happening more and more lately. And if you don't catch it, guess what happens? You get lost and you get taken down a path, and next thing you know, you don't even know what you're doing or why you were doing it. And and then you're trying to accomplish something and then you don't feel good. These are the things that are happening all the time. My focus is based on a planner. I've told you about it before. I have a 12-week planner. I use this planner, and that's the way I keep my focus and keep my attention on what matters and what I need to do and what I need to accomplish. And I check in every hour, asking myself, is this action I'm taking going to move me ahead? Is this my better thinking right now? Is this my best action? Is this the best way to grow my business, to move things forward? Because if I don't ask these questions and I don't check in, guess what? Something's going to come, or something's going to get in the way, or perhaps a notification. I don't get many notifications because I've turned them all off, except for phone calls and text messages. And it's just a practice, but it's a way of controlling my environment and my life. I don't let things interrupt me. Even my family knows not to interrupt me. They know that I'm focusing, getting things done, and when I'm ready to be with them, then I engage with them. If they need something, they can check in with me. But the key here is just notice if you're scattered, if you're shifting your attention to many different things multiple times throughout the day. Just notice that, because it's not going to work. It's going to cause a lot of craziness. And if you feel like you're crazy and there's so much going on, and by the end of the week you're so exhausted and you just want to plop down on a sofa and watch Netflix all weekend, that's an indication that you're not in control of your time and your environment and your life, and it's crazy. And it's ineffective. There's been enough research about it, and you can see how it works when you just go from one thing to another. Distraction. It's like changing channels and keep switching your focus. You don't even know what you're watching and what's going on anymore. So pay attention. And if this is you, then you want to start checking in. You want to start seeing what you're doing on a consistent basis, the results you're getting, and if you're not feeling good throughout the day or by the end of the day, you know that you've given your time and attention to something that's probably worthless and you're distracted. So anyway, I'm going to get going because I'm going to continue with my focus, get on the bike, do some yoga, get my breakfast, and get my day in business started. And remember to do your best to eliminate and eradicate mental blindness disease by thinking differently and doing different things today. If you're not watching on my YouTube channel, head over there and leave a comment. And also leave me a comment below. Let me know, are you distracted? Or is this craziness getting to you? And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.